Alright, well, we're starting another video. She wanted to go on a potty break, but now it's not on a potty break. So, here we go for some more puzzle putting together. Now, keep in mind, this is 30 pieces. And done it all on our own. You're going to get some more pieces to put together? Where's the top of that fire truck?
Putting the wheels.
Putting in the wheels? Okay. Adari, where's the top of the fire truck? Is this the top of the fire truck? Right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that one it? I think that's part of the wheel. There you go. Good job. Oh, there's the dog. All right. Is that a Dalmatian?
No.
What's a doggy? All right, let's see you. Where does that one go?
Right there. Right there.
Good job.
I found that one. Found it.
All right, let's put the rest of the puzzle together. You're almost done.
I almost. That goes still. That goes still. Mommy, that goes still.
I don't think so. Where's the rest of the fire truck?
Right there.
Okay. Here, you want me to help you fix that? Okay, there you go.
Fix that.
Okay, hold on. It's falling apart. It's not the best place, the floor, to do it, but there you go. All right.
I'm not finished.
You finishing it? I don't know where it goes.
That goes still, Mom?
Oh, I don't know yet.
No.
No, look behind you. Use some more pieces behind you. Where are the rest of the letters to the fire station? Good job, Dari.
I broke it.
Here, okay, I'll fix it. Alright, there we go.
That? Well, we'll fix that, right? So.
This does not want to stay today, huh? Alright, good job. Alright, here's that piece. I don't know where that one goes. Got a couple more. Looks like we're missing a piece, too. Oh, there it is over there. Okay, keep putting them together, babe. Here's this one. Where does that one go?
Where's that one? Where's that one go? Where's that one go, Mom?
I don't know. Where does it go?
Right there.
Good job.
I found that one. I found it.
She did. She found it. And we're almost done. Only a couple pieces left.
No, where is it? Where's that piece? There's that piece. There's that piece.
All right, I think there's only one more piece. Oh, wow. All right, let's see the completed puzzle. All right, good job, Adari. What do you want to tell Mimi? Look at the camera. What do you want to tell Mimi?
Good job.
Yeah, you want to say love you and give her a kiss? Have a good day, say.
Bye.